If your iPhone stopped vibrating after the iOS 26 software update, then watch this video because I'm going to show you a couple of solutions for this issue. So step number 1 is to turn off or disable Do Not Disturb or any focus mode on your iPhone if you have them enabled. Let's swipe from the top right corner and open the Control Center, after which you want to tap on the Do Not Disturb toggle to disable it. Or maybe you have a sleep or work focus mode enabled, so turn it off, tell someone to call you, and then check if your vibration works now. Another fix is to see if we have the vibration enabled from within our Settings app, so let's open it. Then scroll a bit down until you see the Sounds and Haptics section. Here it is for me, so I'm going to tap here to open it. After this step, let's click on the Haptics right here, which is how they call the vibration option. Maybe yours was set to never, so just set this to always play or play in silent mode, and then your vibration will be enabled, and it should vibrate when you get an alert or a call. One more thing is to force restart the iPhone, because maybe we have a glitch or a bug after updating to iOS 26, which stops the phone from vibrating. You can force restart your device by quickly pressing the volume up button, then volume down, and press and long hold your power button for around 10 to 15 seconds. Just hold it until the Apple logo appears over your screen. Once it does, let go of the power button and wait for your device to turn back on. These are the steps of fixing your phone's vibration. Tell me in the comments down below if this trick worked for you, and I will see you in the next video.